These are real project cars, not restorations, not show cars. Some run, some barely move, and all of them need work. But the prices? That's what makes them worth a look. Car number 1, 1963 Chevrolet Impala. We're starting strong with a 1963 Chevy Impala, a true full-size classic. This one comes with a clean title, but needs a full restoration, so there's no sugarcoating it. The bones are there, and at $2,000, this is the kind of Impala that makes sense only if you're ready for a long-term project. Car number 2, 1979 Cadillac Fleetwood 6-door. Next is something you don't see every day, a 1979 Cadillac Fleetwood 6-door. It has a salvage title due to abandonment and shows 64,000 miles. It's not currently running, but the seller says it will fire briefly with gas poured into the carb and the engine sounds healthy. At $1,250, this is pure conversation piece material with serious presence. Car number 3, 1963 Buick Electra. This 1963 Buick Electra comes with a big plus, a running 350 4-bolt main engine and a running turbo 350 transmission, already removed and included. The original drivetrain is out, so this is a drop-and swap situation. The body does have rust, especially in the trunk area, but at $1,700, you're basically buying the drivetrain and getting the car with it. Car number 4, 1972 Ford F100. Here's a classic truck that actually has some momentum. This 1972 Ford F100 is described as a good truck, and it even comes with a newly rebuilt engine that can be sold with it. Details are limited, but at $2,000, this looks like a solid starting point for a budget pickup build. Car number 5, 1971 Chevrolet C10 long bed. Rounding out part 1 is a 1971 Chevy C10 long bed. It's been sitting for a long time, has no title, but the engine does turn over, and the seller says it was running and driving when parked. You'll need a trailer and a winch to get it home. At $1,500, this is a very typical real-world project truck with both potential and paperwork challenges.
Car number 6, 1951 Ford Big Job F8 fire truck. This one is pure old school iron, a 1951 Ford Big Job F8 fire truck, complete and still wearing its firefighting past. The engine is still in the truck, but one cylinder head is off, so this is clearly not a turn the key situation. That said, it rolls, it's loadable, and it's the kind of rig you turn into yard art, a shop truck, or a wild long-term build. At $2,000, this is more about character than convenience. Car number 7, 1963 Chevrolet C10. Next up is another classic pickup, a 1963 Chevy C10 project. It's got rust, which is no surprise, and a 6-cylinder engine in unknown condition. This truck has been sitting for about 3 years and comes with a bill of sale, not a title. Still, early C10s always have strong potential, and if you're comfortable starting slow and figuring things out as you go, this is a very typical real-world project truck at $1,500. Car number 8, 1974 Dodge Dart Roller. This 1974 Dodge Dart 2-door is a roller, meaning no engine or transmission installed. It used to be a V8 automatic car and still has power disc brakes, rally wheels, and a lot of usable parts. It's rusty, has no title, and is clearly being sold as a parts or race project. At $1,000, this one is aimed squarely at builders who already have a drivetrain waiting. Car number 9, 1980 Ford Pinto Pony. Love it or hate it, the 1980 Ford Pinto Pony is becoming a rare sight. This one is described as relatively rust-free, which already puts it ahead of many others. It will run on a jug of fuel, and the seller even includes a new gas tank. The engine does smoke, likely from sitting too long, but it has a title in hand. At $2,000, this is a lightweight project that could actually be back on the road without going totally crazy. Car number 10, 1962 Ford Galaxy. We wrap things up with a budget classic, a 1962 Ford Galaxy priced at just $650. According to the seller, it was running, but now needs a fuel pump and starter. It's equipped with a 352 big block and automatic transmission, and yes, there's rest. Still, at this price point, this is one of those today only, bring a trailer kind of deals that project car hunters live for. That's the full list for today. If you enjoy honest project car finds like these, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.